Hi everyone, in this video I am drawing Shahrukh Khan. For hair I indented the highlights, then lightly applied charcoal powder. For darker areas I used charcoal stick. Lastly, I refined it with an eraser and sharp charcoal pencil. For eyes, I darkened the pupil with 10B pencil. I shade iris using 6B pencil and erased small highlight for reflection. I made eyelashes and eyebrows with 10B pencil. For nose, I use shading for creating its shape. Darken the areas around the nostril and create highlights using eraser. For lips, I shaded the darker areas and blended the outline with the skin using tissue paper. Highlighted the center of lower lip and textured it with fine lines following the lips curvature. For skin, I start with HB pencil and applied soft strokes. I erased the highlight and used 2B pencil for darker area. For blending, I used tissue paper. Thanks for watching.